How to use the CULC marking grid. I've already logged into the module, gone into the gradebook and turned editing on, and I want to mark the work for this student, AJS student, and their piece of work that they handed in, turn it in. So I've seen it and turn it in, got the originality report, and I want to give some feedback to the students. So click the little pencil icon next to the box that you're going to mark, and the edit grade box will come up. This little icon here, click icon for marking grid, click on that, it'll open up a new window and it'll have some instructions explaining how to use the marking grid and a link to the marking grid. Most important to close Word after each use, we'll come back to that in a minute. So I'm going to open the marking grid, click on that link, and I'm using Chrome here so it hasn't opened immediately. Double click on that and Word will open up now with the blank marking grid in position. So I can enter some comments. You can add as many comments as you like. If you've got more than 3 lines, this box will expand automatically. Enter some marks. So this student's going to get 10 out of 15 for that one, 10 out of 15 for that one, 10 out of 15. Let's not do so well. 5 out of 15 for that. Let's scroll down a bit. This is out of 20. We'll give them 15 out of 20. Out of 10, they can have 6. Out of 5, we'll give them 4. And development planning, not very good. That will give them 2. We could, of course, add the marks up ourselves, but Word has got a really cool feature which is auto sum. I'm using Word in a Mac at the moment, but this auto sum feature is there in the PC version. So click on the auto sum and it will add the marks for you. Just be aware that if you go along and change the marks, so if you were later change that to 5, it's not corrected the auto total here. So I have to delete that again and click on that box, enter the auto sum, and now we've got the new total. Okay, that's done the business. We've marked the rubric, the marking grid. We now need to select all, that's copying everything, and edit, copy it onto the gradebook, and now we can close Word. We don't want to save that, and close this window, click in the feedback box at the bottom and simply paste in the marking grid. There's the mark of 65. Let's add 65. Oh, we need to click the override button. If it isn't already ticked, just tick the override button. Then you can add the mark 65 in there. Scroll down and save changes. That will have saved the work for the student, and we'll see in a few minutes just what the student one looks like. Okay, so to see what that student's going to get, notice they've got the mark of 65 there. We go to user report, select the student we're interested in, AJS student, and this is what the student will see. They will see they've got a mark for Turnitin of 65%. They've got some comments here, and this is the breakdown of the marks in the marking rubric grid. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for listening.